Look how many are trapped inside. This trap works like crazy. If fruit flies keep buzzing around your fruit, glasses, or kitchen sink, stay until the end because I'm going to show you 2 simple traps that you can make in just a few minutes using ingredients you probably already have at home. Let's start with the first trap. I'm pouring a little warm water into a container. Then I add half a tablespoon of dry yeast and 1 tablespoon of sugar. I stir everything well until the ingredients are fully combined and leave it for a while so fermentation can begin. I also add 1 drop of dish soap because it reduces the surface tension of the liquid, making it easier for the flies to sink after landing on it. The combination of sugar and yeast creates scents that strongly attract fruit flies. They are especially drawn to fermentation because in nature they are constantly searching for overripe fruit. That is why this simple mixture can quickly attract a large number of fruit flies to one location. Now I cover the container with plastic wrap and secure it in place. Using a toothpick, I poke several small holes in the top. The flies easily find their way inside because they are attracted by the scent escaping through the holes. Once they enter, finding the way out becomes much more difficult, so most of them remain trapped inside the container. You can often start seeing results within just a few hours. Now it's time for the second trap. I place a small piece of banana into a bottle. It's best to use a banana that has already started turning brown because it produces the strongest scent that attracts fruit flies. Next, I take a sheet of paper and roll it into a funnel shape. Using tape, I secure the bottom part so it doesn't unfold. I place it into the opening of the bottle with the narrow end pointing downward. Then I use a little more tape to attach the funnel to the bottle so it stays firmly in place. The flies can easily enter through the wide opening at the top and move towards the bait. However, once they are inside, they have a hard time finding the small opening they used to get in. As a result, they remain trapped inside the bottle while more and more flies continue to enter. Take a look at the results. Both traps work extremely well and take only a few minutes to make. Let me know in the comments which of these 2 traps you would try first, and share this video with someone who's struggling with fruit flies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.